Add technology to the air. ALLSWELL Co. Limited. As a specialized air technology company, ALLSWELL is committed to the sustainable growth of manufacturing companies with engineering space diagnosis methods and airflow design technology to solve the problems of various industrial sites at home and abroad. Among them, the air solution in the steel industry is being recognized as ALLSWELL's unique technology. Currently, the sites of many steel companies have concerned about various issues such as productivity, quality, cost, environmental regulations, and worker safety and health for a long time. Due to the nature of the TCM process, various substances such as fume and odor are generated. If they are not properly controlled, many problems including product defect, equipment failure, productivity lowering, working environment pollution, and violation of environmental regulations will occur. Although the industry has been using first to third generation filter type air purification facilities for many decades, the problems have not yet been completely solved. In addition, the need for a new type of purification facility is gradually increasing due to the stricter environmental regulations by country. After considering these problems for many years, ALLSWELL developed the world's first fourth-generation filter-less air purification system that reflects its unique airflow control technology. The fourth-generation purification method carries out a customized engineering design based on understanding and accurate diagnosis of the entire process from the manufacturing facility to the last section where the purified material is discharged, and determines the specifications of the final purification facility. The principle WFLESS is that the pollutant introduced into the duct meets the water powerfully injected by the venturi scrubber. It is discharged downward by centrifugal force and gravity in the cyclone, and the clean air is discharged outward. The biggest distinction of ALLSWELL's airflow control technology is that the set values designed and applied after an accurate diagnosis remain stable without change over time and have an outstanding emissions purification effect. WFLESS has been applied to the TCM processes of the domestic steel companies for the first time in the world, and based on these cases, it has also been applied to China's Baoshan Iron and Steel Co. In particular, the contract with Baoshan Iron and Steel Co. was concluded through technical competitions with global companies and verifications. There is no facility contamination in the cyclone and ducts, even after 4 years from the initial installation, so that no additional cost occurs for maintenance and management. The steel company in Korea meets all the requirements for product quality improvement, cost reduction, and environmental improvement, thereby lowering costs by approximately 4.4 billion Korean won, which means approximately $360,000 US, and significantly reducing pollutant emissions. Baoshan Iron and Steel Co. satisfied all 7 warranty items through an accurate diagnosis and design, including improving the workplace environment and reducing pollutants to meet the environmental regulations strengthened by the Chinese government. ALLSWELL's airflow control optimization process consists of 4 steps and 6 processes. This process analyzes customers' requirements and problems precisely through ALLSWELL's differentiated space diagnosis method and presents the optimum air solution through the customized design for performance assurance. ALLSWELL provides the best air technology solutions for productivity, economic feasibility, environment, safety, and sustainable development of companies. We are making safe spaces to breathe. ALLSWELL.